The main issue with talents in iGaming, technological talents, is an HR problem. First of all, in the jurisdictions where these companies are, like in Malta, UK, Sweden, these places have not so many talents that are available in the market, not so many senior talents. The ones that are available, there is a constant fight between the companies that snatch the talents. So the turnover rate is just too high for this kind of talents. And there is a great need for better mathematicians, better software engineers, better designers, better spine animation artists. And this is abundant in Ukraine. So we can jump into the picture with Hyperion, create a dedicated team, hunt down exactly these talents, and then these companies can start focusing on what's important, scaling, releasing new games, innovating the market, rather than struggling with impossible HR goals. This is a pain point that we see everywhere in the industry. We have two upcoming important divisions in Hyperion. One is the iGaming integrations team, which its purpose is to focus on learning the APIs of all the big platform providers and improve our orientation within these APIs so we can provide any kind of third-party integrations to companies that have to move fast, don't have time. They have a lot of integrations stuck in their pipeline, so the Hyperion Tech team can take care of that for them. The integration team's advantage is that you don't have to focus on just the mere integrations that should be just done, like game providers, payment providers, anything that you have to get on with and implement into your brand, and they stop harassing the brand. Come on, let's do the integration. They finally have a partner that can do it, and they can focus on growth. This is what they should be focusing on, not on the technicalities. That's exactly the solution that the iGaming integration team is tailored for. The idea for integration teams actually didn't come from us. It came through a lot of meetings with customers and potential customers that always ask us and said, look, I have so many integrations to do, can you do it for me? So we just came to the conclusion, it's just a needed solution. This is why we decided to do it. So far it's going very good. We have very positive response from partners that are interested in the solution, and we're very optimistic about this going forward. There are two types of companies that can use the iGaming integration solution. So one of them would be the platform providers that don't have an agency to tailor for the customers' extra needs. And these kind of platform providers usually will have to satisfy the clients. So in this regard, we can set up the integrations team for them and take on the requirements of their clients that are not their core demands usually, like the core technology of these platform providers is their own APIs, their own platforms, and they don't have time to do all kind of custom requests or integrations for their clients. So this is exactly what we can provide them with. Hyperion is working right now to get on board all the documentation from the big platform providers, like SBTech, Playtech, and BetConstruct, and so on. Also payment providers, so we can be proficient in their APIs and make it work. The main challenges we see right now in the iGaming sphere is the need for innovation and not enough talents. So this is exactly where Hyperion gets into the picture. We are talking to several big game providers that are stepping up the game, and they are going to work towards producing the next innovative games that will take us into the future of gambling, where, in my opinion, slot machines is a dying phenomena in one way or another. Things will have to be reinvented. And Hyperion team is getting ready for serving these clients and start working on some exciting and innovative game development projects. One of the funny stories actually are that in my free time, a few years back, I was interested a bit in the social gaming sphere, in the social casino gaming sphere. So together with a team of Ukrainian people, very talented people, a mathematician and some artists and some developers, Unity developers, we actually worked on a title which was RPG fantasy, slot machine, combined with missions and map and quests, something really, really interesting. This title was more like kind of a hobby. It never saw light in the end because we didn't find a publisher for it, but ever since my other businesses grew. But this is one thing that I do know and understand how this market works, and this is some of these inspiration. It's going to be put into the new teams that will work on gaming projects for gaming providers in Hyperion. Hyperion is definitely the perfect solution, testified more by our clients even than ourselves. just because we invest a lot not only in getting the people but in their soft skill, in making sure they can work as a team, they can fit the organizational culture of the clients. And this is something that is really crucial nowadays to make sure that it will work. And the best thing is that the turnover rates are much lower than in other parts of the globe, like Western Europe. So we only see ourselves growing like that, and we invite all the companies to inquire with us, get a meeting so we can help you scale this year and don't waste any more time.